Hi friends, welcome back to Science Fun for Kids. It's almost 100 outside. So, what experiment can we do today? Maybe solar energy oven. The things that you need are a pizza box, some tin foil, some plastic wrap, black paper. Well, what are we going to cook? I think we can cook s'mores, some chocolate, and some marshmallow, and a marker. Okay, and one last thing, we need the sun. First, let's take the pizza box. Let's draw a square. And let's stop right here. Now, let's take the scissors. Now we're done. After done cutting, this is how it'll look like. Now let's take the black paper and put it right here. This one right here, and the second one right here. Now let's tape them. Here, and another here. Now, let's put the tin foil right here. Now we're done putting the aluminum foil here. Now let's tape them. Then, a second. Now we're done with the aluminum foil. Now we got the plastic wrap. Let's put it right here. Now we're done with the oven. I pasted the aluminum foil and the plastic wrap. Now let's go outside. In this pizza box, we added everything we needed. But in this pizza box, we didn't place any aluminum foil or plastic wrap. We just cut out this part. Now let's go outside and see which one will work. Ouch! It's very hot, friends. Now, let's add the marshmallows. Ow! It's very hot. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, I put them in. Now, let's just wait. First, after that, we just need to take this aluminum foil and put it like this. This one's melting fast, but this one is melting slowly. Friends, it melted. Now let's take it out. Wow, it's so gooey. Even though we added 2 pizza boxes, only one of the marshmallow and chocolate melted faster. Do you know what's the science behind it? The sun ray reflects from this tin foil, then bounces to the plastic wrap. Then after going through the plastic wrap, it heats up the cold air inside. So the black paper absorbs the heat and cooks the marshmallows. That's why many ships and airplanes don't have black color paint, because they'll get heated up. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Fun for Kids. Thank you, and Nandri.